Ready to uncover the ocean's best-kept secrets? Let's dive in. Over 80% of our ocean is unexplored. We know more about the Moon and Mars than our own seas. In the deep, creatures thrive under immense pressure, no sunlight and freezing cold. Like the anglerfish with its glowing lure. And some, like the giant squid, grow up to 40 feet long. There are dead zones where life can't survive due to low oxygen, and mysterious sounds like the bloop that baffle scientists. Tsunamis can travel as fast as jet planes, and microplastics are creeping into our food chain. The Twilight Zone is home to eerie creatures, and brine pools can kill anything that enters. Finally, the Challenger Deep is Earth's deepest point, with crushing pressures over 1,000 times that at sea level. What else awaits us in the uncharted depths?